Giving tree. Once upon a time, there was a tree that loved a boy very much. The tree would give the boy anything he wanted. The boy would climb the tree, eat its apples, and build a house in its branches. The tree was happy to give the boy everything he wanted. As the boy grew older, he stopped coming to the tree as often. He no longer needed the tree to provide for him. The tree was sad, but it still loved the boy. One day, the boy came back to the tree. He was no longer a boy, but a man. The man was tired and sad. He asked the tree for money, but the tree had no money to give. The man asked the tree for a house, but the tree had no house to give. The man asked the tree for a boat, but the tree had no boat to give. The man was angry and told the tree that it was useless. The tree was sad, but it still loved the boy. The tree said to the man, "I gave you my apples when you were hungry. I gave you my shade when you were hot. I gave you a place to build your house when you had nowhere to go. What else did you want me to give you?" The man realized that the tree had given him everything he had ever needed. He apologized to the tree and promised to never forget its kindness. The tree was happy, and it knew that the boy would always love it. Moral of the story: kindness is always rewarded. If you are kind to others, they will be kind to you in return.